Hi friends, this is Anand. I'm an advocate by profession and a fashion designer by passion.
Hi, I'm Tanuja.
Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. I'm Sidhu, an ex-AFTTN.
I've always wanted to do fashion designing, though I took up a career in law. This dream of becoming a fashion designer was there right from school days. After practicing law, I thought I can spend some time to pursue fashion designing. But I'm not too sure how much time I could spend for fashion designing because I can't take up a main course when I'm already doing a profession. That's when I saw of a course at AFTT where they offer weekend classes. I called up the institute to find out how much I could accommodate AFTT to find out if it would be okay to already be doing a profession and take up a course there, weekend course. Ms. Aisha spoke to me first and she said not to worry, the courses are very flexible, the timings are very flexible, and to come over and have a meeting to understand better how the course works. With a lot of inhibitions I went because I was not too sure if I can do justice to what I'm going to. When Mrs. Aisha told me, I was not the first professional who was getting into a new course now at this point. She said we've already had doctors, engineers, homemakers, businessmen who've done this course and who've come out successfully. So what I've always been wanting to do and I'm apprehending about now, somebody's already finished it. So she gave me confidence that I can do a good job. She never gave me any false promise. She didn't say after this course you'll be doing Lakme Fashion Week or Paris Fashion Week. She very clearly said we'll equip you with all that you need to enter into the fashion world. Thereafter, what you make out of it is completely your talent. That seemed very confident and honest. I took up the course. It was very nominal. The fees was very nominal. It's still very nominal. And classes were very flexible timings. I didn't have a second thought. I took the course up. I still remember very vividly the very first class. We were a class of I think 10 students, 3 boys and 7 girls. Everybody had the same question on their face: will I be able to do it? Because many of them were already working. There was an engineer in my class. There was a businessman in my class, if I'm not wrong, and kids of different ages. We still had this apprehension in our very first class, but however, in 5 minutes, Mrs. Aisha allayed all our fears and she immediately connected with us. The course is so beautifully structured that it has more practical oriented teaching and say 20% of theory. This course exposes you to a lot of workshops and a whole lot of fashion shows. You will be interacting with designers whom you've only Googled about or done a presentation about. We've had the opportunity to meet national and international designers and look at their collection up close, feel the clothes that they've made, the couture collection that they've made, and it was a big exposure. At the end of this course, even before you finish this course, you would be confident enough to make your own brands, and after this course is done, you are all prepared to go venture into the fashion world, not as an assistant but as a designer directly. I've got the opportunity. Ms. Aisha always kept giving positive reinforcement to our students. We could connect with her very easily. She has this capacity to connect with people of all ages, be it the teens, 20s, 30s, and she always gives us a lot of confidence, and that allays all our fears. I have a brand of my own. I have teamed up with another designer and we have a label. We've been fortunate enough to work with national and international brands. I think but for the confidence and the exposure AFTT has given me, I don't think I would have come this little, whatever far I've come. I wish AFTT all the very best, and a big thanks to Aisha ma'am for being such a big part in my career. Thank you.
I got to know about AFTT through a friend of mine who referred me to AFTT. So I went through the website as well as I met Aisha ma'am. She took me through the curriculum. She told me about what the course is offering, and I liked it because it was very flexible for me because I was working. So it also kind of gave a lot of exposure, the on-field exposure, wherein we had participated in many fashion shows like CIFW, Glam Girl Next Door, lot of exposure. And more than that, AFTT not only teaches you about fashion, it also teaches you how to become an entrepreneur, which I am right now. I started my own brand, the name is Kisante. So happy about being associated with AFTT for the last 8 years.
I did my fashion designing in AFTT in the year 2014. I just came to know about this AFTT through one of my friend Kamesh, who also an ex-AFTT, who did his fashion designing in the year 2012 at AFTT. I just inquired about this AFTT through phone. I just called at the institute, but the response I got from them was really appreciated. The next moment I went there and inquired about the class timings and the date of class which are going to be started. There were also weekend classes, weekdays classes. There were different timings, and also online classes which are going for the people who are coming from the long distance, and for the people who cannot able to travel. There were online classes which are very helpful for them. After inquiring everything, I paid my fees. I joined AFTT. It was my first day of class in the month of June. First day of classes, it was wheel painting they gave us. I thought painting is just a fashion designing. I thought it is just a easy thing that designing is just a painting, not a big thing. I really felt very happy meeting Miss Aisha. Aisha ma'am really helped me a lot in fashion designing. She was very help-minded. Whenever we miss classes, whenever we used to miss classes, she never gets angry. When we ask doubts, she never gets angry. She always helps us. She explains against whatever happened in the previous class, even though we missed classes. After the class, I went and learned about the garment making, cutting, designing of different pattern, garment making. Through fashion designing, I came to learn so many things which we can utilize through waste cloths, which are reusable cloths. We can make it a garment or whatever it is. We can just make it use of that. I get to learn through hand embroideries. We can make it at home. Hand embroideries, garment making, mask making. Nowadays I'm just manufacturing mask. You can just see the mask I'm manufacturing at my home. Just fashion designing has helped me a lot in making so many things. Through many events like Men's Trends, CFW, which is Chennai International Fashion Week, which I cannot able to forget throughout my life. That part, I met many fashion designers, many celebrities. I met their Madras Couture. I really miss those events, etc., etc., etc. Many events. After my completion of fashion designing, I thought of doing my own productions. I thought of doing my own designs. So I started my own business of linen. I started my showroom with just 250 collections of linen fabrics, because I doesn't have any idea. It was my starting of my business, starting of my life. So I started with 250 collections of linen. Then I started my designing works. I started designing my works, and I also make suits, salwars, and also stitch pants, shirts I also have tailoring units at my place, which is located in Old Washermanpet. My showroom name is Linen Bala. Starting of my day, it was just 250 collections. With all my efforts, today I have been around more than 3,000 collections of linen, and I have also been awarded as the best linen retail outlet in Tamil Nadu, who has such a huge collections from the J. Amstead unit of collections. Today I really want to thank Aisha ma'am for helping me to achieve this award. I really proud to be an product of AFTT, and I also want to thank Aisha ma'am for giving me this opportunity. Thank you ma'am.